Boolean algebra, since it is related to the mathematics, it has got some fundamental laws. So we are going to see those laws in a simple way. Already we have seen, but we have to see it in some more simplified way. First of all, we are going to see in the Boolean algebra, since it is following only two digits, already either 0 or the 1 will be used in the Boolean algebra, and we know that is the system of the on position as well as the off position. We assume that if x is not equal to 0 means the x is 1. We say x is not equal to 1 means the x is having a value 0. This is the first theorem. Because we know it has got only two values. The first one is it can have a 0 or the 1. When it is not 0, that means it is 1. When it is not 1, it means it is 0. So that is the first theorem behind our Boolean algebra. Then we are going to have the AND relations as well as the OR relations, AND properties, multiplication properties, as well as the OR relations. Let us see. See, these are the AND properties. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. We can draw it with the help of logic circuit. We have already seen the AND gate, OR gate, etc. Then we can see those theorems with the help of the logic gates. We see we have the AND gate there. The first input is 0, second input is 0, the output will be 0. First is 0, second is 1, then also the output will be 0. We have first one 1, second one 0, the final output will be 0. We have 1 and the 1 multiplied, the AND gate is given 1 and 1, the output will be 1. These are the laws related to the property of AND. Next we see the OR relation. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is addition property or relation. We can draw it with the help of logic circuit. Already we saw the OR gate there. First input is 0, second input is 0. 0 plus 0 is outputting 0. First input is 0, second input is 1. That is also making one output. What is that output? That output is 1. Because the OR gate tells that when either of the input is 1, the output will be 1. Next one we can see input is 1, second one input is 0, then the OR gate is producing, the OR relation is giving the output 1. 1 plus 1. In mathematics it is 2, but in the Boolean algebra 1 plus 1 is 1 because it is logically 1. True plus true is equal to true. Both of them are true. In OR relation we saw earlier itself in OR gate, when either of the inputs are high or all of the inputs are high, the output will be high. This is what we have studied earlier. Now the same thing is given here. We have first one as 1, second one is also 1. When they are going through the OR gate, the same output will be produced, that is 1. So these are the OR relations. Okay. Next, we are going to study an important law in the Boolean algebra. The principle of duality. Okay, let us see what is the principle of duality. It is very important when it is asked many times in the board examinations. The principle of duality states that starting with one Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by changing every AND operation to the OR operation, every OR operation to the AND operation, changing every zeros to 1 and ones to zeros. In simple way, if I say starting with one Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by changing every OR to AND. What does it mean? Every OR, the plus symbol should be made as multiplication symbol, and every AND should be made as OR. AND operation, the dot should be replaced by the OR operation, the plus symbol. Okay, changing every plus to dot and every dot to plus. This is OR and this is AND. Every AND should be replaced by the OR gates. Next, what is that? Every zeros are to be replaced by 1 and every ones are to be replaced by 0. Then we will get another expression, another relation. This is what is known as the principle of duality. The principle of duality states that starting with one Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by changing every OR to AND, every AND to OR, every zeros to 1 and every ones to 0. Okay, let us see it with the help of one example. In the previous portion, I said the basic postulates, the OR relation as well as the AND relation. Just to go through those relations. The AND relation, first of all, we saw 0 into 0 is equal to 0, 0 into 1 is equal to 0, 1 into 0 is equal to 0, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We saw that was the AND relation. Next we have one, the OR relation. What was that? 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. These are the OR relationship. Okay, so here we can see every zeros are to be replaced by ones. See here, we have one expression. 0 is replaced by 1. The AND is replaced by OR. 0 is replaced again by 1. The 0 is replaced by 1. We got another expression. So we can say 0 into 0 is equal to 0 has got its dual as 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. The first is the original expression, second one is the dual of the first expression. I think it is clear. Again you can see 0 into 1 is equal to 0. You see the other side. 0 is replaced with 1 and is replaced with the OR. 1 is replaced with the 0. 0 is replaced with 1. Another Boolean relationship we got. So this is what is the principle of duality says. Again we studied a few examples. I think you remember x into 0 is equal to 0. Just replace every AND with the ORs with the AND, zeros with 1, ones with the 0. What do we get? X will be remaining as it is. This AND will become as, or 0 will become as 1. Again, right side the 0 will become as 1. X into 0 is equal to 0. And we had a second expression, x plus 1 is equal to 1. In the previous videos, I have explained about it. So we prove the principle of duality states that starting with one Boolean relation, another relation can be created by changing every ANDs to OR and every ORs to AND, every zeros to 1 and ones to 0. There will be a sure question in the board examination related to the principle of duality. Okay.